What's Geordie done?
Mummy. Oh.
Aston, what you got in your trousers? You got balls in there? Come here. Come here. He's walking like John Wayne. Oh, what's he done?
Oh.
Take them out now. Take the balls out. Go Geordie then. Go Geordie, Aston. Sit down, take them off then. Take trousers off.
Alright. And then.
Sit down. Pull them off, George.